everybody, it's DIMA OSKO here. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create those nice, full, and juicy lips with only makeup, with only a couple of steps. If you'd like to see how I did it, then please keep on watching. Alright, so the first step you need to do is exfoliating your lips. You can use a lip exfoliant, you can use like some honey and sugar, oil and sugar, toothbrush, which that's what I'm going to use right now is toothbrush. Now that this step is out of the way, we're going to move to actually doing the makeup for the lips. First step, I'm going to contour and highlight my lips. So I'm going to use a contouring powder to contour and a highlighter to highlight my lips. First, I'm taking like a fluffy brush, dust the excess off, and I'm gonna go right here under the lip. Don't go like crazy, like back and forth, just like a little bit right underneath. Not too much, but you can probably already see the difference. And it's like buildable, just add a little bit at a time. If you think you need more, then just add more, but definitely you don't want it to look too obvious. Next, I'm going to use this highlighter pen because I feel it's going to give me more precision whenever I'm applying it, versus sometimes some other highlighter and a big brush is going to be like too messy, too much highlight in the places that I don't want it to be highlighted. So that being said, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the top of my lip. Just a little bit right here, a little around the cupid roll, and drag it a little bit down. Next step is lip liner. So I picked a lip pencil. It doesn't have to be the same brand that I'm using. Any lip pencil would do that it's similar to your lip color. Okay, let me go back and make a correct phrase in my head. So any lip pencil will do as long as if it's similar to your lip color but slightly enhanced. Okay. This is if you want to do something more on the natural pinky side, but if you want to do nude, you want to do brown, you can do the same technique. You can do the same thing if you want to do a dark lip, a red lipstick. It's basically all the same technique, but a different color and shade. Anyways, back for whatever I was saying. I'm gonna use this lip liner that it's the same color as my lips, but slightly darker. And I'm gonna start, that's the trick, you're gonna start from the bottom of the lip where we kind of did the contour, and then you want to follow your lip to the corner. You want to follow your lip line to the corner of the mouth, because whenever you go over that line, that's when it start looking a little ducky kind of look, and it's not that cute. So let's go ahead and focus on making it look nice. Let's focus on making it look like a nice pout and more like round versus going that way. Okay, it's gonna make more sense whenever I'm doing this, so just bear with me. First, I'm gonna take this and line slightly below my lip. Again, don't go crazy, be like on your chin, just slightly right here below the lip. You see that? That's already given me that like fuller look, or that's already given me that shaded look. Now I'm gonna follow my lip and connect it to the corner. Now moving to the top, I'm gonna do the same technique. I'm gonna overdraw slightly around the cupid bow and then follow my lip line and connect it to the corners. Slightly over here, and then following my lip. So now I'm using the same lip pencil and I'm gonna shade the the corner of the top lip and the bottom lip, leaving the center clean. So in that way, it's gonna draw all the attention to that little center point, and that's what it's gonna look like if it's pulled forward, which that's gonna make it look fuller. So you should look something like this by now. Next step is lipstick. I picked a lipstick that it's like a nude. I'm gonna show you. I'm not sure. Okay. So I picked a lipstick that is like a nude pinky color, but it's like quite a bit lighter than the lip pencil. All right. So I put it in my hands. All right. So I'm taking that lipstick, kind in the center where I left it clean, and kind of blend it a little bit to the edges. Now back to the lip pencil, just to kind of blend in the lipstick with the liner in some areas. Alright, so I'm very happy with how it looks like now. I could just totally stop here, but I'm a little extra and I like lip glosses. So I'm gonna add a little bit of lip gloss in the center of the lip. So it's lip gloss that is also the same color as the lipstick, but slightly lighter. Alright, I'm taking my gloss, apply it right in the middle. I typically like to apply the lip gloss in the center of the lip mainly, and I don't apply it close. I don't apply it close to the lip line because sometimes, you know, after you put it after an hour, 2 hours, start kind of bleeding and coming out of the lips and getting into the little cracks, or you know, stuff looks a little messy. So what I like to do, apply in the center of the lip, and whenever it's starting to look a little messy, it's still gonna stay inside of the lip instead of putting it close to the lip line, and that's gonna make it go out of the lip line. Does that make sense? Alright you guys, and this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. If you did, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit notification to stay up to date with everything beauty with me, with DIMA OSKO. And please don't forget to comment below what would you like to see next, and what is your favorite lipstick. I'm really curious to know what's your favorite lipsticks. And don't worry, everything's gonna be listed in the description box below, all the products that I've used, and when you can find me also and follow more of my work. I just want to say something, that this is so new to me. If I'm acting in any shape or form like awkward or I look a little shy, it's just because I'm a little uncomfortable in front of camera, so please bear with me. Give me a chance, I'll improve, I promise. And please be nice.